Hey everybody, Aisha here, and I am here to talk to you all about the credit repair business that I have presented to people on my Facebook page and something that I have joined. Just to let you know, I am a mom, a wife, and I do work a 9 to 5 currently, and I am trying to choose my financial freedom and eventually free myself from a 9 to 5 hold. So I wanted to make this quick kind of video to kind of show you what My Econ is all about. So My Econ it's more than just credit repair. Basically, when you ask me for information, you're going to get sent to this page here. This is Income Shift Pro, and what it does is it just kind of explains to you how you can use this business to not only repair your credit, but to also make money on a weekly or monthly basis, however much money you need. While you're repairing your credit, you're paying off your debt, and you're increasing your income. Now, this portion of My Econ is not something you have to do. You don't have to market this if you don't want to. If you just want to use the tools, you can do that. You can still get your credit repaired on your own without having to pay somebody to repair your credit, those crazy fees like I've done before, and still didn't get much, still didn't my credit score didn't go up like it didn't maybe a few points on my own. Before My Econ, I was able to boost my credit score up 19 points just by myself, and that was without me shelling out money to pay somebody else to get all up in my business. So when you see this video, just know that this portion is optional. This will be the same type of video that if you decide to promote the business, that other people will see. And the reason I like this is because it does everything for you. Once a person opts in for information, then it's going to send them the emails and keep them connected. Okay. So it just depends on what you want to do with this business, whether you want to get something like this or not. Okay. But basically, when you get into My Econ, this is the page that you're going to see. It's a home, about us, products, opportunity video, contact, join now, log in. And when you go down the page, it tells you about why you want to choose My Econ, has a video for you to watch. It tells you about minimizing your tax strategies, generating business income strategy, asset accumulation strategy, and how you can get started today. And it just has success stories, and it has so much information here that's just on page one. It's probably going to blow your mind. Now, once you get into the back office of My Econ, that is where you're going to find so much information that it could kind of be overwhelming. But once you're on our team, we tell you exactly what you need to do as far as getting things in order, what you should do first. So I wanted to show you the back office so that you'll have an idea of what it looks like and what you're getting with your $35 a month. Now, $35 a month, $47.90 to start if you want to make this as a business. $47.90 one time, and then $35 a month until you don't want it anymore. It's no contract. You can cancel anytime. If you want to get your credit up and then you're done, you're done. But if it's something, we tell people give it 3 to 6 months tops, because it takes a minute for your credit to change. But this is what I wanted to show you back here is the Business Management Center. Now, let's just say you were not interested in doing this as a business, that you just wanted to get your credit repaired. You won't have all these tools available to you back here, but for a one-time $99, one time, you will get our smart credit system. And our smart credit system, just to give you a sneak peek, is full of information. I mean, so much information that as I was watching it, I was just awed and surprised, and things I did not understand on my credit, how to use credit, the importance of credit, all of that. It was laid out to me in this training. This training is absolutely awesome. Also, you're going to get what's called income shifting. Income shifting is something that a lot of you probably have not heard of. So what it is we teach you how to, if you're working and you get a paycheck, and you want to bring more money home on your paycheck, we teach you how to fix your W-4s in a legal way so that you are bringing home $200 to $500 more per pay period and not giving it to Uncle Sam. It's going in your pocket, in your household to help you with bills. This is our income shifting membership, and it shows you some things back here: discount travel, debt elimination calculator, cash flow management, the smart credit system. You also have a cashback mall. So if a lot of you shop online, you can just go right here and shop and get money back. I mean, it's just a no-brainer. It's just also awesome, totally awesome. Um, so I didn't want this video to be super, super long. I just wanted to come out here and kind of let you know that you have all this information back here. You are not just getting some stuff thrown at you in this business. We also have a Facebook page, a couple of them that the team helps you. They help you grow. This is one team that actually looks out for their other teammates. Some of the other things that I don't think you all know is that in this business, you can hire your minor children to work for you. You can actually give them a salary instead of an allowance. How awesome is that? You're already teaching your children how to generate income. It's already a business that they can be a part of. Um, well, it might not be this business, depending on what they can do, but there is a way, and they will teach you how to pay your children. I mean, I was already talking to my son about this. He's 11 and he's like ready to work. And I'm like, slow down. We're going to get to that point. But he is just like, oh, you're going to pay me? Oh, I love it. I mean, he's excited. So, I mean, it's just something to think about. But it's like if you don't know, you don't know. So it's better to know what you're, getting into and to learn this stuff. And you'll have time to go back here and do this based on how you want to use the system. We're going to get you started quickly. There's a quick start orientation. We're going to get you started quickly so that you can go ahead and start generating an extra income while you are shifting your income, while you are fixing your W-4s to bring home more income. So it basically is a win-win all around the world. $35 a month, less than a tank of gas. This is a little, it's extra. It's a little extra. I want to say it's like $20 or $25 a month to have this whole system for you, where people can opt in. You can collect their emails, and you be able to send out information to them, and that's always good too. But if that's not what you want to do, and you only want the smart credit repair system, $99 one time, and you'll have this credit repair system for life. There's nothing better than knowing about your financial status and knowing what to do with it when the time comes when you need to fix it, instead of shifting money out to people who are taking your money and charging you an arm and a leg, but they're really not fixing the problem. Some people out there will fix the problem for you, but when the problem arises again, then you have to go shift more money out to them. It's better to be educated so that you can make the changes yourself instead of giving money to somebody else to make the changes about your future. So I just want to get on here and kind of let you know what this was. This is not one of those you pay me, I do your credit. It's not that. It's you're independent, but you're not alone. Okay. So thank you for taking the time to look at this video. This is Aisha. I am signing out. You all have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, there are several ways to reach me, by email, Facebook, Instagram. I am active on all of those. So please reach out if you need some help. Until then, you all have a wonderful day. I do hope this video kind of broke it down for you so that you kind of understand now what this is. Thanks. Bye now.